So ayan guys, nandito ako ngayon sa kuhanan ng libreng pagkain. Ayan. So ayan yung babae, nag-ano na information. Tapos yan yung cart. Kuha kami ng libreng pagkain. So gagamitin namin yung cart na yun nasa harap. So pagkatapos nito susunduin ko si Jared. Ayan, so mga nakapila yung mga yan, no? So susunod ako dyan sa naka-blue na car. So ayan, nakakuha na ako. Dami. Ayan, no? Tiran. So kadami guys, binigay. So ilo-load ko na siya. Ayan. Kita nyo, kadami yun. Oh. Yan. So libre lang yan guys, doon. O diba? So ilo-load na natin. Ando pa sila ate, kumukuha. Ay. Daming libre yun. Oh, 3 ganiris. Dami. Oh, chicken liver, fork. So, ayan. Daming cheese. Cheese. Ayan na sila ate. Ayan sila ate. Kasya ba? Okay na yan?
Yeah.
Ayan, dami namin nakuha yun. So many free food, ha? Ayan. Dami. Dami mga tinapay. Bye! Cheese! Ayan sila ate. So naglulog ka. Ayan, dami naming libreng pagkain. Grabe. Grabe, oh. Daming cheese, oh. Oh. So libre lang yan, guys. Ayun, oh. Ito isang box na gulay. Ayan, oh.
Okay.
Ah. Ayan.
Wait, make sure we're done.
Wala, kahit di ka naman malengkita eh. Dami talaga. Okay, kaya ko lang tayo. Salamat. Oh, yogurt. Yogurt, isang box. Ay, dami. So ayan guys, nakakuha na ako ng free food. At ayan, susunduin ko na si Jared. So ayan, nagda-drive tayo ngayon. Ayan yung road papunta sa my truck stop. So susunduin ko guys si Jared. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa truck stop. Ayan, yung mga truck na malalaki. And hanapin natin kung nasan ba si Jared. So, saan kaya pumarada ang aking baby? I don't know. Saan kaya pumarada? Ay, doon, sa kabila. So, ayan guys, ang mga truck. Ayun, ang Jared. So, nakita ko na ang kanyang truck here. Ayan. So, ayan nga pala guys, meron siyang load. Dang. Ayan, ang kanyang load guys, metals. So ayan, andyan na siya. Sundin na natin. Ay, ayan. Na tayo sa truck stop. Hi. How are you? Huh? What? It's fine.
How it work?
Good.
You get free foods?
Yeah, a lot. Look at the truck, full of food, frozen food, vegetable, fruits, a lot. You don't need to buy B. I'm gonna show you. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Oh my God, my baby surprise.
Yeah, where are you gonna put it?
Where I'm gonna put in the fridge. A lot of food. See, baby, you don't have to buy bread. This is the nice bread.
Yeah.
See, nice bread.
Now you
Yeah.
gotta find a place to put all this.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna see. Look at that bee. Your mom no need. Tell to your mom no need to buy apples,
We saw the
yogurt.
apple last time.
Yeah, cucumbers. Oh my goodness. See, a lot of everything. See, baby, you don't need to buy these hot dogs, rice, and potatoes. See, potatoes, B. Yeah.
Oh,